morning, this is Radio L96. It's 15 degrees at 5:30 a.m. on this Monday, October 19th. So get up, check your gram, take your pills, and go to work for our lovely, independent United Kingdom. A new day is born, and how can we celebrate this more than with an all-time favorite from Queen? So, is this the real life, or is this just fantasy?
Dad, there is so much to say. I'm not the same as I used to be. No longer that little girl everybody loved to see. Do you remember the place in the woods? You told me about the world and all of its beauty. I imagined my life would be an adventure, like your stories. How could you already be there, without me? I tried to move forward, but I'm stuck in my past. In my world, I refuse to take this path. I go back to where it all began. In my world, my path will go somewhere. I'm going to places I've never been.
This is St. James's Park. The next station is Westminster. This is a Circle Line train via Embankment and Tower Hill.